OneTrust, a name leader in a Forrester Wave Quarter 4 2025 for privacy management software. OneTrust, a name leader in Forrester Wave Quarter 4 2025. What this means for global privacy and AI governance by Anil Patil, the privacy philosopher, a YouTube channel, Privacy Prodi Guy. Welcome back to our favorite YouTube channel, Privacy Prodi Guy. Your trusted source for global privacy, cybersecurity awareness, and AI governance insights. Today, we are breaking down an important industry development. OneTrust has officially been named a leader in the Forrester Wave for privacy management software in Quarter 4 2025. Let us dive into what this recognition means and why it matters for organizations worldwide. OneTrust being recognized as a leader is not just another award, it is a reflection of the platform's position in the global privacy management ecosystem. The Forrester Wave evaluate top software vendors on three key criteria. First, a strategic vision. Second, current product offering. Third, customer experience and market presence. OneTrust high ranking demonstrates its ability to support modern privacy challenges across industries, regulatory environments, and geographies. The recognition indicates that OneTrust remains one of the strongest platforms for organizations looking to modernize privacy operations. From data mapping and DSR automation to cookie compliance, governance workflows, and third-party risk management, OneTrust capabilities continue to expand and evolve. What truly sets the platform apart is it is focus on governance at the speed of AI. As AI driven systems reshape data processing and risk. OneTrust delivers automation, transparency, and accountability that align with global privacy expectations. So, what does this report means for privacy leaders, compliance teams, and organizations evaluating privacy platforms? The Forrester Wave helps you understand how leading privacy platforms compare, which vendors deliver the strongest capabilities, which solutions offer long-term governance maturity, where OneTrust stands in a strategy and execution. This is especially important for companies building or scaling privacy, governance, and AI compliance framework in 2025 and beyond. As a regulatory landscape tighten from GDPR to India's DPDPA, the EU AI Act, organizations need tools that are not just compliance today, but are built for the future. One trust recognition in the Forrester Wave confirm its role as a leading choice for companies needing end-to-end privacy automation, advanced AI governance, enterprise-grade data protection, scalable compliance operations. This is not just about managing privacy, it is about governing responsibly in an AI driven world. If you want to explore the full analysis, you can access the complete Forrester Wave, a report directly from OneTrust. The report provides a full breakdown of scoring, vendor comparisons, strengths, and key differentiators. A valuable resource for any organization evaluating compliance platforms. OneTrust continues to shape the privacy and governance landscape, and recognitions like this highlight the direction in which the industry is moving. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for the watching Privacy Prodigy, where we simplify privacy, compliance, and AI governance for professionals across the world. I'm Anil, and I will see you in the next video.